7. Okay, last time I had given you question number 1 and 2 as your work. Okay, today let us see how to share the ratio or share the given value in the ratio. If the ratio is given, how to share it. Alright. So, how we have to do this type of question is, now you must understand whenever we do ratio, okay, it is like sharing, it is like comparison. It was already said, it is like comparing two or more than two given quantities. Alright. So, here you can see it is given share rupees 1200 in the ratio 5:7. So, it means you must understand, alright. So, if it is being shared, 1200 is being shared among the two person, then they are getting 5:7. It means if one person is getting 5 parts, okay, must understand this. If one of them is getting 5 parts, other one is getting 7 parts of 1200. Alright, 1200 is divided into 5 part and 7 part. So, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to find the total ratio. Clear? So, total ratio here is, okay, ratio is given 5:7. So, total ratio means we will be adding the given ratios first of all. Okay. So, 5 plus 7 you will get it as 12, isn't it? So, your total ratio is 12. First of all, you need to find the total ratio and then you divide the 1200. How? First of all, you write first share. Let us write first share. Alright. So, first share is how much? What is the first share here? 5 part. Clear? So, 5 parts out of how many parts? 12. Total ratio you are writing here multiplied by the given total value. Clear? So, this if you cancel it, you can see you can do this directly, isn't it? 12 ones are 12. 12 into 100. So, remaining is 5 and 100. So, if you multiply 5 into 100, you will be getting 500. So, first share is going to be rupees 500. Clear? Similarly, now let us see what will be the second share here. Second share is 7. Alright. So, must write it down as well. Second share here, let us write. So, second share part is 7 out of how much? Out of 12. Okay. And the value here. You must understand, out of 12 means 12 is the total ratio, not the total value. Clear? So, again if you cancel it here, you will be getting 7 into 100. The second share is 700. Alright. Now, if you add 7 and 500, you will be getting 1200 as total. Clear? This is how you will be doing the sharing of the ratios. First of all, you add the ratios, find the total ratios, and then accordingly we find the share. Like here, first share was 5. So, 5 is divided by total ratio and then multiply by 100. Clear? Now, similarly, how to do if the ratio is given in fraction. If it is not fraction, then simply you will add it. But if the ratio is in fraction, the process is you will not add directly. First of all, you need to find the LCM of these denominators of the given ratio. So, here denominators are 3, 5 and 9. So, if you find the LCM here, we will find the LCM of the denominator 3, 5 and 9. So, let us calculate the LCM now. It is 3, 3 ones are 3, 5 and 3 threes are 9. Now, you can see 5 and 3 we have no common factor except 1. So, if you see this type, if your calculation comes in this manner, then you just need to multiply it simply. Okay, let us find the LCM here. It is 3 threes are 9, 9 fives are 45. So, our LCM is 45. So, first of all, we will change the ratio. Clear? We will make it into a single form. We will remove the denominators. So, whatever the LCM you have got, you just multiply it each fraction by that LCM. Clear? So, if I calculate, then it is 3 ones are 3, 3 into 15, here 5 ones are, 5 nines are and 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. Now, your new ratio will be 15 is to 9 is to 5. Clear? So, this will be the new ratio. Now, you will follow the same method. First, you will find the total ratio here. Clear? So, if you add it, 15 plus 9 plus 5, your total will be 29. Now you will take this taking this as the total ratio, we will be dividing rupees 551 in 3 parts. So here 3 ratios. Clear? Now let's calculate. Calculation we get the total ratio is 29. So now let's calculate each share. Alright. So first share will be, your first share is how much? 15 here. 15 out of total is 29, and what you are dividing? 551. Now as you can see here, 29 is your prime number. Okay, so it means it will be divisible by only 1 in itself. So if you see this type of number, if you see it's a prime number, then you try to calculate 551, it might come directly in the table of 29. So if you calculate and check it out, if you divide 551 by 29, alright, if you divide it, okay, this division part I am leaving up to you. If you divide it, you will see that it is exactly divisible by 19. So 21, 9 ones are, and 21 into 9. So if you whatever you get, if you multiply 15 into 19, let's multiply and check how much you will get. So 9 5 is 45, 4, 9 was 9, 13 here, 1. So what you will get here is 285. So first share is 285. Now let's check even the second share. Clear? So second share, let's see again how much it is going to be. Second share has 9 as the ratio out of 29. Okay, into 551. Now this is whenever you are dividing it. Okay, denominator and this denominator and this numerator, you can multiply it with the same number because it will be same calculation. Clear? So if you calculate here, 29 ones are, and 29 into 19. So if you multiply 9 and 19, let's calculate. 9 9s are 81, 9 was a 9 plus 8 is 7. So another share is going to be 171. So next we have is our third share. So let's see third share as well. It is going to be the 5 out of 29, and you are dividing 551. So same process. 45. So next share is rupees 95. So first share is 25, then 171 and 95. If we add this, you will get rupees 551. Clear? So this is how you will be calculating if it is given in the fraction. Let me tell you, if it is in the fraction, your first thing is to be, you have to change the fraction into single number first, single ratio. Clear? You will find the LCM, then you will be multiplying each fraction with that LCM, and then you will turn it into single ratio, and then we find the total ratio, then is the normal process, like what we have done in the first question. Clear? So this is how you will be solving it, or trying to solve the questions. This is how you will be solving it. You will follow the method thoroughly and then you solve.